Don't bring me a seed when your father needs his prescription to be bought. I don't need your envelope with money in it. Take care of your own. Let your father, your own biological father, bless you before he dies. Yeah. That is between him and God. But between you and him, there should be honor. Go and honor your fathers. And it's not only biological I'm talking about. Sometimes you can have a man of God in your life and God is using that man of God to bless you. Mama Comfort, sometimes you see, the problem is sometimes you open door and bring people into your space. The moment they get into the space, they get familiarized and then they start fooling around. Yeah. I know a young man into the life of a very wealthy man. Who wrap up any fear and was started so then Samoko. Hey, come and see this guy. In Jumo, yeah, things say you could care and answer and come on, baby didn't come on. Papani teachers are on names a baby or in nano. Cameras never has audios. It took us any nana audio, no air recorded. A papana bonnie and manitia said you know what Ginny didn't plans and no woman no. But say, I mean, yeah, but there's some pamo. Hallelujah. I want to ask all fathers, forgive your children for dishonoring you. I want to ask spiritual fathers who people have hurt. You fed them, you blessed them, but they hurt you. Please forgive them. Ignore, overlook, and forgive. You blessed them and they repaid you with evil. Forgive them. Yeah. Because who be do mechi and someone be kano. Who be won mama wira sanho. Forgive them. Himame, I'll close with this. Edamu ya me one day. Edeshia ba kobaya no beda foma. Apa fachem you nam say. Edia na me fanche onye. Osmaye bibi petia. Yeah. Nzamwa oprugu ono na me hwede na wo ko mu no a. Bitimi wo sa asotwe aba no so.